Hey, what's up, y'all? I want to show y'all a quick little trick here. Now, y'all know I do construction, so a lot of times we be at houses that don't have any power at all, you know, and the owner don't want to turn the power on, or maybe we might have to run electricity, whatever. So anyway, this is something we do, and this should help some of our brothers and sisters out there in Texas and other places where their power out. Now you just take a simple generator and take you an extension cord, plug it into your generator. Then you take the other end, instead of plugging up an appliance, plug it to a double outlet like this. Now this is simply a 20 amp piece of wire. If you go to your local Home Depot or pretty much any hardware store, it's going to be yellow. And you take one end, plug, one end, plug. And you plug this into your extension cord. Now you take this end and you plug it into an outlet inside your house. Now that'll supply you with power on one side of your house. That'll enable you to run your refrigerator, your furnace for your heat. Now you ain't gonna be able to get AC, but you can have heat if it's wintertime. That'll allow you to run your freezers, your TVs, hey, your internet if the internet connection ain't down. You know, whatever you need. Now you ain't gonna be able to run that stove, so hey, if you got an electric stove, get your hot plate. Lights that will go out you good. You know, or hey, be like me, come out here and grill something. But anyway, just a quick little video, show y'all this here little trick. And I'm gonna be out of town this weekend, finna go get all the way off grid, y'all. You know, enjoy a little time with my cousins, catch some fish and kick it. But I'll take the camera along with me so y'all can come too.
Oh, I almost forgot. Hey, when you do this, make sure you cut off your main breaker so when the power comes back on, you don't have any issues.
So check it, guys. Thanks for checking out the video. Hey, please hit that subscribe button right here. And hey, if you think about check out one of these other two videos that I already made. But anyway, you know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See you.